Welcome to this series of sessions on developing impactful literature reviews. This series on literature reviews aims to help students develop high quality reviews in their chosen academic field of interest. A successful review of the extant literature not only informs readers about what has been learned by revealing patterns and critical gaps, but it also stimulates future research by introducing a novel theoretical perspective on the subject. Towards this objective, these sessions will introduce the literature review process, detail the framework to construct the review, equip scholars with key skills to scientifically conduct their own reviews. The plan for the sessions is as follows, and you will find them in the subsequent videos. In the first session, we will focus on setting the motivation for the review. This is where the participants are introduced to the literature review process, and we discuss some of the aspects in terms of how you articulate an impactful research question. In terms of defining the contours, that's where we define the scope of the review in terms of how your search protocol should be, what should be some of your inclusion and exclusion criteria, and so on. Moving further, we discuss how you go about conducting an appraisal of the studies in the third session. The fourth session will look at how you spot gaps in the literature, some of the techniques to spot gaps, and how do you go about advancing knowledge? How do you make a contribution to literature? The fifth session will look at how you organize the review article in terms of just structuring it. And the last of the six sessions will focus on creating a compelling narrative. We draw upon some of these key references and several of the examples that you will find in the subsequent sessions will be derived from these papers that you see here as listed below.